Meaning of disafforest.
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 Disafforest. The term disafforest refers to the act of converting a forest or woodland area into a non-forest one by removing trees and other flora. This process results in the loss of forest habitat for wildlife, reduced carbon sequestration, and increased erosion. Disafforestation can also lead to the loss of traditional forest-based livelihoods for local communities. The impact of disafforestation on the environment and society is significant and often irreversible. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider the consequences of any decision to disafforest a particular area before taking any action.